In this video, I'll show you how to borrow money from Cash App on iPhone, step by step. This is a great feature for users who need a quick cash boost, but it's important to understand how it works and what the repayment terms look like. Let's get started. First, open your Cash App on your phone. Once you're on the main money screen, look for the Borrow option. If you see it, tap on it. Keep in mind that not every user has access to this feature. It depends on factors like your account history, transaction activity, and how frequently you use Cash App. When you tap Borrow, you'll see your available loan limit. For this example, let's say the available limit is $25. Cash App will show you some basic details about how its loan system works. You'll learn that you can get the funds instantly, pay a small flat fee, and possibly qualify for a higher limit in the future if you repay on time. Once you've reviewed this information, tap Get Started to continue. Next, you'll need to select the amount you want to borrow. You can type it in manually or select one of the suggested amounts. For this demonstration, we'll borrow $20. Tap Next, and Cash App will display a summary of your loan details. In this case, a $20 loan comes with a 5% flat fee, which equals $1. That means you'll pay back a total of $21. Once confirmed, the $20 will be added instantly to your Cash App balance, increasing your available funds. After that, you'll choose your repayment method. Cash App gives you several options. You can let Cash App automatically take small payments whenever you receive money. You can choose to make weekly payments, or you can pay the full balance at once before the due date. In this example, we'll go with a 4-week repayment plan, which automatically deducts $5.25 every Friday. Tap Next to proceed. Now, Cash App will ask you to verify your identity. You'll need to enter your Social Security number, your PIN, and confirm personal information like your full legal name, address, and date of birth. Make sure all details are correct, then tap Yes, it's correct to continue. Before finalizing, you'll see a review screen that outlines your loan amount, the flat fee, total repayment, due date, and APR, annual percentage rate. Take a moment to review everything carefully. Once you're ready, tap Borrow instantly. At this point, your loan will be confirmed and the borrowed amount will be instantly added to your Cash App balance. For example, if your balance was $45 before, it will now increase to $65. You can use this money just like your regular Cash App funds to send, spend, or withdraw. If you ever want to check your loan status later, go back to the Borrow section on your Cash App home screen. Here you can view your current borrowing limit, see how your borrowing power is calculated, and review your repayment schedule. To repay early, simply tap Repay Early. You'll have options to pay your next scheduled amount, the full balance, or even a custom amount. In this example, we'll choose Pay Remaining Balance. Once you confirm your payment source and amount, tap Confirm. Cash App will process the payment, show a confirmation message, and update your balance accordingly. For instance, if you repay $21, your balance will decrease from $65 to $44. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to borrow, manage, and repay a Cash App loan. Remember, borrowing should always be done responsibly. Make sure you're comfortable with the repayment terms before confirming.